Hi, I'm Lynne with Softsquares. Today I'm going to show you the unveiling of our 2025 mystery box. It is a project box where the pattern comes to you in clue form. You work at your own pace. You open the clue when you're ready to advance to the next one, and there are videos to help you through those. This is a list of everything that comes in the box. You will get to see a video that was a preview of what you can expect in the box, and so everything that's listed here will actually go through and show you in the upcoming clip. But just know that clip was previewed and shown prior to when the boxes were shipped out, but I thought it would be appropriate to put it in here. This is what it looks like when you get it. Let's open the box. Hi, I'm Lynne with Softsquares. Today I'm going to show you what is in the mystery box for 2025, available only through Softsquares. This is a complete quilt. The quilt, it has all the fabric. You get to pick the line that you want to use from your options. You're going to get their backing fabric as well as your background fabric, which is a white, and your backing. And I'm going to make sure that the white matches with your colors that are going through your quilt. You're also going to get a large spool of Orem thread that goes with your quilt. You're going to get a little notepad. Let's see if you can see that better. You're going to get some goodies, some more goodies. You're going to get 2 rulers. One is a specialty ruler that you're going to need. You're also going to get the little non-grip slip things. You're also going to get a tiny little ruler that's just great for small projects, great to have on hand, even carrying in your purse. So you're going to get these 2 little rulers. The blue one is part of the project. You're definitely going to need it. You're going to get this little packet that says pretty things inside, and inside you're going to see a label. And it could be any color, but it's going to be your handmade label. It's also going to be a sticker. And in this case, it's the Riley Blake Smooth as Butter or Soft as Butter. And so you might get different color label or a different sticker, but that's what will be in this little envelope, whatever color that ends up being. You're going to get your clues, and here they are in clue form. So first thing you're going to do when you get this is open this. It says, open me first. So by opening this up, it's going to give you the general instructions, and it's going to help you with your swatches. But on each of these fabrics, I am giving you the placement of that, meaning it's going to tell you what fabric it is, what number it is, as well as the cut. Now this is the minimum cut. I'm going to make them a little bigger in some cases. So that's what the pattern calls for, and you're going to get all of your fabric that goes with that quilt. Okay, and then all of them are labeled. You're even going to get a label on here that tells you what color your white is, because everyone's white will be different, and sometimes it's just something that you need more of for another project, or you just really like it. So it's good to know what it is you're playing with, right? So there's that. You're also going to get a large pair of scissors. Vicki, Creative Notions, has set us up with these. And in addition to that, you're going to get this little bag, which had all the little things in it that I had just shown you. It's a great bag. You can repurpose it for notions, anything you want. Not quite big enough for your project, but it's definitely something that you can reuse. You're going to get a little thank you note. There's also a welcome letter in addition to the open me first. And so you're going to definitely check all that out. Go check it out, softsquares.com, under specialty boxes. All right, here's a one-by-one view of the color options or the fabric choices. There were 7 this year. The way the box works is you get to pick your own fabric choice out of the options that are available. And here they are right here. We'll look at them a little closer, but you get to pick the fabric line that you want. I put together all the fabrics that will look amazing with the quilt. You're going to get everything that you need, including all of the fabric for the top, the backing, and the background, as well as the binding. So everything you need fabric-wise. You're also going to get a large spool of thread. You're going to get your clues for the pattern in clue form, or the pattern, there we go, in clue form. And you're going to get to work at your own pace. Now, Leanna, Pastry Cream Farm Adventures, has made all of our videos showing us how to put the clues together. And the awesome thing is she makes it really easy to follow. So there are links that are in the private Facebook group that you have access to. There's also some QR codes in the
links or in the clues when they get sent out to you, so you can get to it a number of different ways, but you can work on whatever clue you want whenever you're ready. So as you can see, here's all the different options that you can pick from, and there's some modern ones, there's some more traditional ones, and lots of pretty florals and flowers, and you have lots of options. So some of these have sold out as of this moment, and just know that they're available until they're sold out. So go in and see what's available. What you're going to want to do is go to softsquares.com, and then you can click on the link for specialty boxes, and that's where you will find the mystery box. It's also where you will find the advent boxes. So you go in there, and then when you select that, you're going to pick the colorway that you want. You're also going to tell us what size you want. So the listing itself is just for the quilt, which is the quilt without borders, and it's a good size quilt. And then after that, you get to add borders if you want to. It is an additional option. It's totally up to you. But when you order the borders, I give you enough of the backing and binding to enlarge it and to cover everything. So you just need to add that second listing to get those. So hope you'll take advantage of this. Again, it's limited number. Go to softsquares.com under specialty boxes. You'll see the mystery box, and you just pick the colorway and the line that you want. Tell us if you want to enlarge it with borders, and the box will be shipped out to you right away.
So that's a review or overview of the fabrics that we used and the fact that the boxes are still available. You can still go grab a kit if you wanted to. They're limited. But now let's look at the pictures of the finished quilts now that's after June 15th. And so what you're going to see is just different ways that it has come together with the different colorways, and people can choose to interpret the pattern how they want. So as you can see, like the little diamond blocks through the middle, in some cases they're turned, in some cases they're not. That is totally something you can do on your own with the pattern. Look at all the different colors. This is just so fun with what different fabrics can make things look like. And you'll see one that was submitted with a little boo-boo in there, and she circled it to point it out, and she has now fixed it, but I didn't get an updated picture, so I wanted to at least put it in here. And there I am with my quilt. I goofed, and I cut some of my blocks backwards, and I assembled it, and I love how it turned out. And then this is Leanna. So Leanna did all the videos. She did it with and without the border, so you can see it both ways. She also submitted some pictures of it quilted, and these are the quilts that she worked on when she was making our videos. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.